channel would never exist. This magic spell you cast, this is like your voice. Okay, I look really weird and it was a bad idea to start this vlog in the middle of the night when my hair is a mess and everything is a mess. But I feel Subha and I never get a time to start a vlog properly, so yeah. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trusty. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel down below. And I'm going to be vlogging my day tomorrow, not because it's something special that's happening, but because this vlog will be my 100th video on my channel, and I wanted it to be a vlog. And since I have to do a lot of work tomorrow, so it will be sort of like a productive day in my life, like a work day in my life. You will get to see what I do, what I don't do, how I plan my content, how I shoot my videos, how I edit my videos, how much time I take, a general like a working day sort of in my life. So मैं रात को ही शुरू कर देती हूँ. Tomorrow is Sunday, which is usually a chill day, but I have a lot of pending work that I've been just delaying. So tomorrow I'll just sit down and do all of that.
The next.
So yeah, अभी बज गए हैं 12. I think I was supposed to vlog since the morning, but I just was not in the mood. सुबह इतना हरी भी रहता है and I just did not feel like shooting at all in the morning. Plus it is so bloody hot today. मतलब I obviously have to comb because my hair is such a mess. So मैं अभी नहा के बस आई हूँ. अभी बज रहे हैं 12 and I'm gonna go start planning my content, and there's a lot of work that I do have to do. So right now what I'm gonna do is make a list of all the things that I have to do. That includes planning my content and also shooting and editing. So it's going to be a very like a packed day. I don't have time to just chill. I was actually supposed to shoot this on a Sunday, but kal I did not do anything at all. I woke up and I was like, okay, I will do some work. I started working. I did एकदम थोड़ा सा basic work, and then my mind was like bye. And then I got to know that Conjuring 3 release हो गई है. So my whole afternoon से evening was gone into downloading, transferring, and then watching the movie. And after I watched the movie, I was like, oh my god, it's so great. And then I don't know, and kal raat ko then I had some like family work and I was doing all that. And I'm sorry about the mess, but I think this is what you signed up for, right? For in this vlog, if I start talking, I'll just keep on talking. So I'm gonna firstly go and comb my hair because it looks so messy, it's bothering me. Then plan my day while having some sharbat because it's so hot. Actually, I have changed up my planning a little bit. What I do nowadays is, instead of planning it a night before, I just have an idea जो मेरे को क्या क्या करना है आज, and then next day I start planning, because बहुत सारे ऐसे plans होते हैं जो urgent plans है या sudden plans है that usually get made in the morning and then I'm not aware of it. So anything like that can happen, and my plans can get shifted. So ऐसा बहुत हो रहा था that by the end of the night when I was like ticking off things that I've already done or not done, I felt like बहुत सारा काम बच जा रहा है. So instead if I sit down after when I'm actually free and तब make a to-do list of what I have to do, it makes me feel more efficient because I'm just taking on my plate jitna I know I can complete it. Thoda extra time रहता है, then I can just do a little bit more that I can. I don't feel like overwhelmed of that sort. So whatever works for you, we should do that. So I'm gonna start. Today is May. The plans that I can share on camera are, I have to plan my content, I have to edit a video which also needs to be uploaded by today or tomorrow. I need to plan some certain things for certain people that I can't disclose. On my priority list, the first and foremost thing will be shooting and then editing something for Dettol that I had a collab that I had to do. And then if I get some time and I do have the energy, which I think I will shoot some reels and maybe also shoot a YouTube video, because I haven't shot something for YouTube for such a long time, like, except this vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead, firstly shoot my thing for Dettol, then have my lunch, and then I'll be back, like, to properly talk to you guys again. Woke up, I have clicked some pictures for the Dettol thing. I just have to send it to the agency. Hopefully they approve it. I think the pictures have come out really nice. The sky looks so beautiful. It's all pink. Am I really expected to work in this weather? Okay, does anyone else have this thing with them कि जिस दिन बारिश हो जाता है उस दिन फिर ना काम करने का मूड खत्म हो जाता है. So how do I plan my content? I have my planner here. I have my content diaries here. So yeah, I have 3 diaries. So सबसे पहले what I like to do is I like to go to the month that it is. Firstly, I like to open this wala page. Like any calendar wala page in my planner, or if it's not there, I just like to open my calendar, which I would usually do from my phone, but abhi to phone wahan hai. And I would like sort of mark out the dates which I am mentally planning. So this, and then us hisab se I plan my shoot and edit schedule so that I can upload videos on those days. Yeah, so mostly I mark out these dates जहाँ पे मेरे को upload करने का मन है, right? Now according to that, I have planning 10 times this month, which is actually pretty decent, I think. If I'm able to complete that would be really great for me. So I have planned for 10 times this month. Now what I do is I go and check like my calendar, which I'll need my phone for, so बीच में off हो जाएगा, and see if there are any special days or important days जिसके around I would like to make some content, and I like to mark that out also. So according to my calendar, ऐसा कोई specific day तो नहीं है that needs special planning or anything like that, but my second dose of vaccination will be due soon. So उसका हो सकता है I am again planning to vlog because it just like excites me. I really enjoy vlogging. So उसका video will either be a bonus video or in the schedule only. So in my June content, I don't know if you can see, yeah. And please ignore the doodles. That's just a habit that I've had since I was a child. So as you can see in the June content, the first thing I've written is vaccination vlog, because I know that this video I am going to be making and posting this month. So ये यहाँ पे है. Next I have a bunch of ideas. So YouTube का content ideas मेरे पास हैं that I want to make for this month. I have written them down here. Now what I don't do is I don't plan exactly कौन सा कब shoot होगा. I make like a mental note of it. I don't plan my exact content कि कौन से दिन करना है, because it depends a lot on my mood. I am a very moody person when it comes to like shooting and for everything for that matter. So from my list of work that I had to do, I am done with my content plan. That is done. ये half done है, and it's enough that I can upload tomorrow, so that's cool. This is done. This is done. This is also done. This I did not do, but like it's not like I didn't do this, so this gets over here. कल जाएगा. I did not do this, and ये हो गया.
which was actually the top priority. So basically, even though I did not work half day, I did not shoot. The only thing that I was unable to complete was shooting and looking for brands that I have to do for my work.
It's funny, but I just realized that I actually did shoot one reel that I will post tomorrow. So technically I did do that as well, but that's fine. Actually, I wasn't feeling too well today. Even though I thought that I would end up like having a lot of work that I did not do, but it's manageable. I still managed to work, and that's great. I'm happy for myself, but that also means that I can make my day way more productive. So yeah, I'm gonna start increasing my work. I'll try it tomorrow if I feel better, or else I'll just keep it light again. But anyway, for now, good night. It's getting late. I have to sleep, or else these will increase even more, and I don't know, I don't want that. Hi. So as I was editing the vlog, I realized that this vlog might seem very haphazard, very random, and I don't think it's even worthy to be my 100th video. But it was very important for me to do this vlog, to sort of record my journey, and I realized I never actually sat down in front of the camera and talked to you guys, which was sort of my main point of doing this vlog starting May. So here I am, and I'm gonna talk about, I've actually never talked openly like in public, like in one of my videos, about why I wanted to be a YouTuber, what's the journey. I never talked about it, so you know, I'm gonna do that now. I remember back in 2015, I think, I discovered Lily Singh and her videos, and that is when I realized that YouTube is a platform jahan you can create your own content. It's not like a TV or a movie where it's produced and everything. Matlab, that all is there, but it's your space. You can just make normal videos, you can just live your life, and you know, you can just be that and make videos and create content and everything. And for me, Lily's videos and a bunch of other content and YouTube has had a great impact for my life. You know, there have been days when I just did not feel like smiling or talking to anyone, and I have watched a YouTube video and my mood has, like, you know, completely turned. So after getting to know that, you know, this was something that anyone can do, 2015 से मेरे अंदर ये कीड़ा था, that not 2015, like 2014 2015 से मेरे अंदर ये कीड़ा था that, you know, even I want to have my channel, even I want to create videos, for two reasons. Firstly, I love being in front of the camera. The second reason was, if there's even a 0.1% chance that someone out there watches my videos and has a little smile on their face, it's worth it for me. You know, it's definitely worth it for me. But I just wasn't sure if it's meant for me, or you know, if I'll be even comfortable talking to a camera, even though I love doing that. But you know, making a video is a huge deal. Then I talked to my friends about it, and touch wood, till date they are my hype squad till date. And you know, if it weren't for them, this channel would never exist. And I'm not saying this like, I'm not exaggerating it, but it's really true. I would never have had the guts to start my own channel if not for them. It would not have happened. And in 2019 April, I shot my first video and uploaded my first video. I remember it took me about 2.5 hours to shoot a 5-minute video on a topic that I was more or less confident about, and it took me 4 days to edit a video from that person. And I remember clearly when I like hit upload, I felt like I was transported into this whole other place, a place of happiness. I remember I got emotional back then also, because for me, having my own channel was such a huge deal. It still is a huge deal for me. And you know, and ye sab hua, everything happened. I uploaded my first video, but I did not tell anyone about it. I swear I did not tell anyone about it. After which it took me 2 months to create another video, and 2019 was very haphazard. I was not active at all. फिर 2020 मिड से लेके अभी तक आई हैव बीन टचवुड एन एक्टिव यूट्यूबर, बट लेट मी टेल यू टिल October 2020 maybe, or maybe the end of 2020, I did not call myself a YouTuber. I was like, I'm not even a YouTuber, you know. It's a huge deal for me that I have created over 100 videos for YouTube. The reason I say over 100 videos is because this is my 100th upload, but I already have 3 more videos that have been shot and are half edited, ready to be uploaded in the next week. So it just is a huge deal for me. I can't believe that this has happened. It took me 4 years to convince myself that I can shoot one video. It took me hours to shoot a video. Now I take what? For a 15-minute video, I take 20 minutes to shoot and max to max 30 minutes to edit. You know, that has become my speed now. So just overall the whole growth, the beautiful people who have supported me, yeah. And it does seem like I have achieved some 100k subscribers. Inshallah, one day that will also happen, but it is a huge deal for me. Yeah, I'm just like really grateful that I'm able to do this, that I'm able to shoot videos and, you know, sort of right now live my life as a content creator. Things might change in the future. Right now I'm a content creator. Right now I'm a YouTuber. I have my own YouTube channel with a little small family of almost 400 people, and I have uploaded 100 videos all by myself, because again, there's no team, you know. It's just me doing the shooting, the planning, the editing. I have my hype squad, my friends, who, again, as I said, this channel would not have existed if they would not have pushed me that, you know what, you can do it, you deserve to do it. And I'm not just talking about the first step, you know. After the first step, I needed a lot of pushes, and they did that, you know. 2019, November 2019 mein I reached 100 subscribers, and I thanked, like, I remember messaging 4 or 5 people that thank you so much for, you know, sort of pushing me. And I don't know if you guys remember that or not. If you do, then again, thank you so much, because yeah. And the reason I'm so simpy and emotional is, of course, this thing, but also because I'm PMSing, so, you know. But I am extremely grateful and thankful that I am able to live this life and create videos. Again, I'm sorry if this vlog seems haphazard or unnecessary, but I needed it. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking around, and if you have watched it till the end, then thank you so much. Yeah, like always, I'll see you very soon with another video. Till then, please stay at home, stay healthy, stay happy, take care of yourselves, and yeah, bye.